Before the celebration, the altar has to be covered with at least one cloth. On the altar or beside each end of it,
should be at least 2 lighted candles.
chalices, water and wine, and the like are to be placed at the side table.
The purpose of the introductory rite is to gather us as a worshiping community. It begins with an entrance procession. The procession usually includes all the ministers of the Mass, cross bearers, servers, Eucharistic ministers, readers, deacon, who may carry the lectionary or the book of Gospels, and the presider.
The gathering song or entrance song accompanies the procession. The purpose of the entrance song is to start the celebration, deepen our unity as the members of the assembly, and to introduce us to the mystery of the feast or season, and to accompany the procession.
The celebration opens with the sign of the cross and greeting by the presider, who may introduce the celebration.
The introduction is to be brief and is not to be turned into a homily.
The penitential rite has 4 parts. After an opening invitation, in which the presider calls us to reflect on our sinfulness,
we recite a common proclamation of sin that
Form of the conflict.
The Kyrie follows. The deacon, consort, or other ministers may proclaim the invocations. When we compose invocations, we need to remember that we are not to be listing faults for which we ask forgiveness, but rather address invocations to Christ.
the rite ends with a prayer in which we request for forgiveness. As an alternative to the penitential rite on all Sunday Masses, the sacramentary provides the Sunday renewal of baptism.
The Gloria, which is sung or said, follows the penitential rite on Sundays, except on Advent and Lent. And through it, we praise and pray to the Father and the Lamb, as church assemble in the Spirit.
The opening prayer, or the collect by the presider, ends the introductory rites. The presider expresses the theme of the celebration and makes a petition, in behalf of the assembly, to the Father, through the meditation of Christ in the Holy Spirit.